Tesla brings coolest interior feature to cars in latest update. Tesla has brought perhaps the coolest interior feature to its cars in a new update that is rolling out to vehicles now. The feature will require a newer vehicle that has interior ambient lighting, which is present on the new Model S, Model X, Model 3 Highland, and Model Y Juniper. The Cybertruck also has ambient lighting strips throughout. Tesla Model Y's ambient lighting design changes revealed in leaked video. With the version 2025.26 software update, Tesla is rolling out a new Sync Accent Lights W music feature, which is available on the Tesla Toybox. Turn your Tesla into a rave cave with the new Light Sync feature rolling out now in software update 2025.26. To enable the feature, you'll access the Toybox, choose Light Sync, and then choose Sync Accent Lights W Music. Although it does not improve the performance of the vehicle, it is yet another example of Tesla making one of the coolest cars out there. This is truly a cool add-on that can be used to impress your friends and family. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.